Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome. Thank you so much for joining us from around the world to be with us for this very special day in the history of Maserati, as we are bringing you a new powerful idea of the future, now prepared to be electrified, as we introduce you to Maserati's first hybrid SUV. Another step in the Maserati brand evolution. Now, as I'm sure you know, the Maserati family has already expanded with the Ghibli Hybrid, the Trofeo range, and MC20. And now the newest member, the brand new Levante Hybrid, which really enriches and completes the Levante range. Now, of course, every big family always includes their good friends, and there is one rather special friend who has recently joined, and he'd like to welcome you personally to this unique Maserati moment.
Hi everyone, it's David Beckham here, sending you a message from sunny Miami. I wish I could be with you all today, but I am excited to unveil the new Levante Hybrid. I hope you are all enjoying the show, and I can't wait to visit you again soon. Take care.
Wow, thank you David for joining us today. You know it's going to be a good day when David Beckham is along for the ride. So, are you ready? Because Maserati is here to surprise and excite us again more than ever before. Now, when we launched the Ghibli Hybrid, a great journey began, a boundless journey that will eventually see the whole Maserati range be electrified. So, what are we going to find out today? A new SUV, yes, of course, but also so much more than that. We're going to be discovering a new way of moving. Advanced performance combined with fuel saving. And that's the Maserati approach to hybrid propulsion. And this is its new masterpiece, the Levante Hybrid. Now, introducing it with words alone are just not going to do it justice. And as you know, the Maserati sound is truly unique. So we relied on the performance of a rare personality belonging to the contemporary music scene, who mixes innovation and performance, always seeking for a unique combination. And lucky for us, he's joined the Maserati world to create a very special collaboration. And today we are about to enjoy an art piece made by redesigning the Maserati sound. So it gives me great pleasure to introduce to you the new Levante Hybrid performed by Dardust. what an amazing performance. I mean, how spectacular does the car sound to you now? Huge thank you to Dardust. Now, what we just heard was born from the unique combination of Maserati sound and Dardust inspiration, and what a result. And the good thing is, we know that new artistic projects are coming soon between Dardust and Maserati, all to be enjoyed and listened to, more revealed later. So now it is time to discover the new Levante Hybrid, and with a man who knows it rather well. Am I right, Francesco?
Hi, Nicki. Hello, everybody. I'm thrilled to be here to talk about the new Levante Hybrid, the brand first hybrid SUV.
Well, thank you, Francesco. You're going to accompany us on this inspiring journey. So first of all, why and how has Maserati developed a new hybrid SUV?
So why? We put the consumer at the center, expanding the offer with the hybrid solution that aims to boost performance and fun to drive. But at the same time, it improves the efficiency in terms of CO2 emission and fuel consumption. This car is faster than diesel and greener than diesel and gasoline. Combined with a booster, this engine is best in class in terms of specific power, 165 horsepower per liter. And now it comes to the how. So the Maserati 48-volt belt starter generator recovers energy during braking and deceleration and charges the battery. Then battery and DC-DC converter store the electrical energy recovered and turns power to the engine's e-booster.
Well, that's really interesting. Thank you for explaining, Francesco. So why did you choose a hybrid technology for the new Levante Hybrid and not plug-in?
So, you know, Maserati is about performance, and performance, of course, is about power output, but it's also about weight and weight distribution. And the BSG 48-volt, together with a booster, is a magic combination of uncompromised performance together with the best efficiency. And to be honest, plug-in really would have added a lot of weight that would have jeopardized the fun to drive and the driving experience of our consumer.
Okay, so Francesco, I have another question for you, which I think a lot of people may also be wondering. Is this revolution going to change that unique Maserati roar that we all love?
Well, I can say that the engine sound... I can say that the sound... Okay, we understood. And I can say that the Levante Hybrid has the unmistakable sound of a Maserati. We achieve this without resorting to amplifier, but just tweaking the fluid dynamics of the exhaust and adopting a resonator tuned to deliver a truly Maserati sound.
Well, that's really unique, and thanks to its lighter weight and efficient hybrid powertrain, it's going to be greener, of course, than the petrol and diesel equivalent. But Francesco, what about the Levante Hybrid CO2 emissions compared to the diesel and petrol version?
Hey, Nicki, aren't you that curious? Anyway, compared to the gasoline version, here you get about 18% less CO2 emission, while delivering similar performances. And compared to the diesel, the hybrid has up to 3% less CO2 emissions. The lighter engine, together with the compact hybrid system, makes Levante Hybrid 20 kilos lighter than the V60 50 horsepower and 115 kilos than Levante diesel. Levante Hybrid has even better weight distribution, and all is designed to make it even more agile and fun to drive. 1 second quicker in acceleration, that's amazing.
Wow, Francesco, it's sounding absolutely incredible. The results achieved are excellent, so you get greater performance and less fuel consumption. It's a win-win. Now, I know that innovation is part of the Maserati brand strategy, so how is this model innovative by nature?
Innovation is at the center of both our consumer and Maserati strategy, so we decided to integrate the Maserati Levante Hybrid with the best technology and the most innovative one in terms of infotainment and connectivity.
The new Levante Hybrid is always connected, thanks to the Maserati Connect program. But let me go through our top innovative news. You can interact with your car from home with your virtual personal assistant. But at the same time, you can activate Alexa skills to manage your smart home devices from your Levante. Hey Maserati, play music. And our customer in China By the way, they are connected with another Levante Hybrid from Shanghai Auto Show. They can use the integrated Tencent Ding-Dong assistant to activate services like QQ Music. But we have something more, and let me introduce Mia, our dedicated Maserati intelligence assistant, who offers a navigation experience with real-time traffic information and maps that are constantly updated.
You will arrive at your destination at 17:39.
Mia is based on the Android operating system, so has a cool user experience like with a tablet or smartphone. Wherever you are always connected, and you can activate the Wi-Fi hotspot of Levante Hybrid to use up to 8 different devices.
Wow, so cool. Lots of innovation about engineering and connectivity. And I know that the new Levante Hybrid is always connected thanks to the new Maserati Connect program. For example, this system alerts you when a service is due, and it also enhances safety and security with assistance in emergencies. Now, also thanks to the Maserati Connect app, you can now always stay in contact with your Maserati by using your smartphone or your smart watch. And actually, speaking of coolness, let's talk about the style of this SUV. Francesco, can you highlight and tell us more about the design?
So its innovative design combines the aggressive line of a sports car with the elegance of a sedan, together, of course, with all the capability and versatility of an SUV. And here are some of the unique characterization of the car. You have the light blue side vents, you have the light blue calipers, you have the details on the logo, on the trident, on the C-pillar, and on the interior, you have the blue contrast stitching. Blue is the shade chosen to identify hybrid cars, as already done on Ghibli Hybrid, and Levante Hybrid will be introduced in a new metallic three-coat blue color called Azzurro Astro. And this color will be available in the brand customization program called Maserati 47.
Wow, what a beautiful colour, Azzurro Astro, so inspiring. Definitely a colour that is connected to the future. Now, the Levante Hybrid is not only 100% hybrid, but it's also 100% Levante. So it boasts a dynamic yet elegant design language. Francesco, thank you so much for your time and sharing all of that with us today.
Thank you, Nicki, and thank you all.
Well, we're so happy to have shared this real leap forward in Maserati's history with you today. Hopefully you've enjoyed the premiere and that you're as excited about this new Maserati Levante Hybrid as we are. Thank you so much. Take care. See you soon. Ciao.